Welcome to our guide on designing a fully furnished and decorated modern front porch. In this video, we'll explore how to create a sleek, functional, and inviting outdoor space that complements contemporary home styles. A well-planned layout is key to making the most of your front porch. Consider how you'll use the space, whether for lounging, entertaining, or simply as a welcoming entryway, and arrange furniture accordingly. When selecting furniture for a modern porch, opt for pieces with clean lines and simple designs. Materials like metal, wood, and weather-resistant fabrics keep the look contemporary and durable. Neutral and earthy color palettes are a hallmark of modern design. Use shades of gray, white, beige, and muted greens or blues to create a calming and sophisticated atmosphere. Incorporate natural elements like wood, stone, and plants to soften the sleek lines of modern design. These materials add warmth and create a connection to the outdoors. Good lighting is essential for any porch, especially if you plan to use the space in the evening. Choose modern fixtures like wall sconces, pendant lights, or recessed lighting to create a welcoming ambience. Decorative accents like throw pillows, rugs, and artwork can add personality to your modern porch. Stick to contemporary designs and materials to maintain a cohesive look. Greenery is a great way to add life and color to a modern porch. Choose sleek planters and materials like concrete or metal, and fill them with low-maintenance plants like succulents or grasses. Even in a modern design, comfort is key. Create a cozy nook with a comfortable chair, a small side table, and a throw blanket, perfect for relaxing with a book or a cup of coffee. When designing your modern porch, it's important to choose materials that can withstand the elements. Look for weatherproof furniture and durable fabrics that can endure sun, rain, and wind without losing their appeal. Keep your modern porch tidy with stylish storage solutions. Consider benches with hidden storage, sleek outdoor cabinets, or decorative baskets to stow away cushions, blankets, and other essentials. Modern porches often serve as an extension of the indoor living space. Create a seamless flow by coordinating the porch decor with your home's interior design, using similar colors and styles. Keep your modern porch fresh by updating decor with the seasons. Swap out throw pillows, add seasonal plants, or change up the color scheme to reflect the time of year. Personalize your modern porch with unique decor items that reflect your style. Whether it's a piece of art, a favorite plant, or a special piece of furniture, these touches make the space truly yours. Thank you for exploring modern front porch design with us. We hope you found inspiration to create a stylish and comfortable outdoor space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design tips and ideas.